Hello, today I'm going to show you Snow White, an animated book from the Story Mouse. Using this app is simple. Just flip the pages like a book. Let the story begin. Movement, music and our professional storyteller really bring the tale to life, with lots of adventure along the way.
This is the story of Snow White, and it starts a long time ago in a castle a long way away. The castle was home to a very good king and queen, and one winter's day, when the castle grounds were covered with snow, the queen had a baby.
The pages turn automatically, so you can just relax and listen to the whole story. Snow White is one of the world's most popular children's stories, and our app fills the screen with beautiful illustrations.
Such a pretty little thing, and the king and queen wanted to choose a very special name for her.
As the storyteller speaks, the words are highlighted. This makes the text very easy to follow.
So why don't we name her Snow White? The queen thought this was a great idea, and so that's what they decided to call her.
Like a real book, just swipe left when you want to go to the next page. Or swipe right to come back to the previous page.
As the years passed,
Tap anywhere and the navigation bar appears at the bottom of the screen.
one day, her mother...
Tap on this button to pause the story. You can also move the little mouse to go directly to any page. The pages are shown as you move your finger. The app comes with a wealth of features. Tap on Settings, and in Read It To Me mode, you can choose to turn the music, text highlighting and automatic page turn on or off. In Read It Myself mode, young learners can use the app as a regular book and read the story at their own pace. The Emperor's New Clothes from the Story Mouse is a great way of entertaining children and helping them learn their ABCs. Snow White is available on the App Store for iPad, iPhone and iPod Touch.